It's sunshines.
Merida.
Merida.
You've got sunshine.
Amazing food waiting for you.
Oh, yeah.
But,
Yeah.
before all that,
Yeah.
there's a lot to figure out.
There is.
A lot to think about when it comes to
Yes.
packing.
Yeah.
Moving to a whole new country.
Exactly. And
What's it like?
we're diving into a source today that's all about
Yes.
making that process easier
Absolutely.
and saving you some money while we're at it.
Yeah, this source,
Yeah.
it really gets into being smart about
Yes.
what you pack.
It even says to bring Ziploc bags.
Right.
Did you ever think that
Oh,
those would be
Ziploc move.
essential for an international move?
They're lifesavers.
Honestly,
I would never have thought of that.
they are.
Super useful.
Let's find out why.
Let's do it.
So, first up, let's talk about electronics.
Okay.
Like, I get it, your laptop's coming with you.
Of course. Yeah.
Right.
Absolutely. But this source points out something super important.
Okay.
Electronics in Mexico, especially imported ones,
Yes.
are going to cost you more
They are pricier.
than back home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And not only are they more expensive,
Yeah.
but you also might have a harder time
Right.
finding what you want.
Finding exactly what you need.
Yeah, like say your laptop breaks down.
Oh.
Once you're in Merida,
Uh-oh.
it might not be easy to find the right parts.
Yeah.
Or someone who knows how to fix that specific model.
Right.
So thinking about that beforehand
Yeah.
can save you.
Save you so much hassle.
So much, yeah, time, money.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
it's not just the big stuff like the laptop.
Right.
It's all those little things.
The accessories.
Like your chargers, adapters.
Yes.
I mean, even...
And also think about voltage differences.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah. Will your U.S. appliances actually work
Yeah.
with the outlets in Mexico?
That is something
It's a good thing to check.
you really need to think about in advance.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, so moving on
Okay.
from electronics, let's talk kitchen. Now, if you're a foodie like me,
Yes,
this is where it gets really interesting.
I agree.
The source says to pack your favorite pots and pans.
Bring them with you.
Now, who wants to compromise
Yeah.
on their cooking?
Absolutely not.
Right. No way.
I know, I don't.
Especially when you're
Yeah.
settling into a new place.
Exactly.
Having those familiar tools
Yeah.
can make such a difference.
And you might not be able to find
Exactly.
exact same stuff.
The brands.
Yeah.
The quality.
The quality that you know
Yeah.
and love.
And it can be way more expensive
Oh, for sure.
in Merida.
Okay, and this is a tip
Okay.
that I never would have expected.
Okay.
Durable food storage.
Yes.
Like good old Ziploc bags.
Like Ziploc bags.
I mean, it seems so basic,
right.
but why?
Well, here in the U.S.
We're all about those huge supermarkets.
He loves to stock them.
Stocking up.
All right.
But in Merida,
Yeah.
you might find yourself shopping more often
Oh, okay.
at local markets
Yeah.
or smaller stores.
Interesting.
So having those reusable containers
Yeah.
becomes really key.
To store all that good stuff.
Yes, for all those fresh ingredients
Yeah.
and leftovers.
I hadn't thought of that.
Yeah, it's like packing a little bit of your
Yeah.
food storage habits right
Yeah.
along with your recipes.
That's a great point.
Yeah.
Okay, next up, personal care.
All right.
Now, the source says to make sure you bring
Yes.
medications and toiletries.
Especially if you have sensitive skin,
Yeah.
allergies, specific needs.
Because
It's all about that peace of mind,
it is.
especially in those first few weeks
Yeah.
when you're still adjusting.
To a whole new place.
Yeah, you don't want to be stressed about finding a specific brand of lotion or, the right allergy medicine
Right.
at the pharmacy.
So true.
Yeah.
Okay, and then there's the home comforts category.
Yes.
Which I love.
Oh, it's so important.
I mean, it suggests bringing things like
Your favorite bedding, some photos,
Photos.
maybe a special mug.
oh, yeah,
Just those little touches
the little things.
that make a new place feel like home.
Like your home.
Exactly.
And it's not just about sentimentality either.
Right.
It's smart psychology.
It is.
Having those familiar objects around you
Yeah.
can really help with homesickness
It can.
and just make the whole transition easier.
Absolutely.
Love that okay clothing and footwear.
Right.
I imagine lightweight, breathable fabrics
Oh, yes.
are key in Merida's climate.
Absolutely essential.
Yeah.
Think linen, cotton,
Yeah.
things that'll keep you cool and comfortable.
Perfect.
And don't forget, good walking shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Merida is a city best explored on foot.
Really?
Oh, yeah. With charming streets. Yeah.
And vibrant markets
That sounds lovely.
waiting to be discovered.
So I guess you're doing a lot of walking
You are!
when you're exploring.
Definitely.
All right. And speaking of exploring,
Yes.
the source also mentions specialty items.
Okay.
And this is where you can really personalize things.
This is where you get to be you.
Yeah, like bringing your favorite snacks.
Yes.
That you can't find easily.
The things you can't live without.
Yeah, or spices for those go-to dishes.
Yes. Or even supplies.
Yeah.
For your favorite hobbies.
Yeah, it's all about.
Yeah. It's about maintaining.
Yeah.
Those little rituals and joys.
Yes.
That make you you.
Exactly.
And they can make a world of difference.
They can.
In helping you feel settled.
Yes.
And happy in your new home.
All right. Last but not least.
Okay.
Entertainment.
All right.
Now, the source recommends packing an HDMI cable and a TV antenna.
It sounds a little strange.
It does.
But hear me out.
Okay.
These can be really helpful.
While you're getting settled,
right?
You know, figuring out your local entertainment options.
Yeah, like if you want to stream shows.
Exactly. Or watch local broadcasts. Just makes that transition smoother.
So it seems like packing for Merida is about a lot more.
It is.
Than just clothes and toiletries.
It's about thinking ahead.
It really is.
And anticipating what life will be like.
In a new country.
And bringing those pieces of home.
Yes.
That'll help you thrive.
Exactly.
Practically and emotionally.
I love that.
I do too.
So as you're packing,
yes,
think about this.
Okay.
What one item
beyond the essentials
would make you feel most at home?
In Merida.
What would bring you comfort?
Or that sense of familiarity.
Keep that item in mind.
Yeah.
As you're going through your list.
It's such a good point.
And I think you'll be amazed
at
what a difference it makes.
That is great advice.
Thank you.
All right. That's all for this deep dive.
Until next time.
See you then.
Bye-bye.